And number three, you get a confidant. Success is a lonely road. Entrepreneurship's a lonely road. Rapping, content creation, these are lonely roads. People say they want this shit, but they really don't want this shit. So when you somebody who really wants this shit, you're going to be by yourself a lot of goddamn time. And when you come across somebody else who is built like you have a confidant. For those of y'all that are into basketball, you probably watched Kobe Bryant's funeral. And we have been watching Michael Jordan for 40 years on TV. And the only time I have really seen him cry uncontrollably is number one, the Father's Day when he won a championship after his dad died. I think it was 1996 or 97. I can't remember. Number two is when he got inducted into the Hall of Fame, and that became a meme. Don't get me started about how black men crying is a meme. And number three is when Kobe Bryant passed away. And the reason that Michael Jordan cried so hard when Kobe Bryant passed away, even though this wasn't his teammate, even though this wasn't his family member, is because Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan were built from the exact same DNA. They were built from the exact same cloth. They had the exact same training when it came to professionally through Phil Jackson, and they could see each other in each other. They had confidence. They could share what it was like to be the best player in the world in a major market and carry the NBA and be considered one of the greatest at the two guard spot, and they became each other's confidants. And now Michael Jordan doesn't have that. Who else can relate to that? LeBron plays a small forward position. Maybe D-Wade, but how long did he have to carry a team? And that's the same thing with you. When you find somebody who is built like you, who has the same skills as you, and who wants you to win so much that they bring you into the fold like Lil Wayne did with Drake, you now have a confidant for life if you are loyal to them. So make sure you cherish that relationship because they are very, very rare.